infrastructure development, in terms of skill development, and in terms of innovative business models. These are the elements which can sustain poverty escapes by enabling capital formation and by reducing inequalities. So a combination of all the three methodologies has to be adopted, has to be at the heart of any of our policy, has to be at the heart of any of our intentions and implementation strategies. Now, coming to the end of the day and the end of the seminar, I would like to just again bring to your notice that, and as everybody, each one of you sitting here so far can vouch for it, that today's discussions have definitely been extremely enriching and very fruitful in terms of at least laying down the, the problems, laying down the entire gamut of issues which relate to deconstructing SDG 1, which relate to targeting poverty in all its forms on the table. And for this, I, on behalf of Niti Aayog, would like to extend our gratitude to all the participants, our esteemed panelists, and the speakers, and especially RIS and Professor Sachin Chaturvedi. I think he's missing here right now, for making the conversations lively and for making it informative and for discussing the issues threadbare. Obviously, no amount of words could suffice in expressing our gratitude to our esteemed Vice Chairman, who took time out from his schedule and gave a clarion call to us to take the discourse of poverty out of the air-conditioned halls of Habitat and onto the ground. And I would definitely, as with that call, obviously, we are all working for, taking the entire discourse of poverty, and that is why 115 aspirational districts is basically a part of that, and that is where we are trying to synchronize all our efforts in eradicating poverty in all its forms. I would also, although our Honorable Minister, he inaugurated the session, and I would like to thank the Honorable Minister, Rural Development, Shri Naren Singh Tomarji, for giving a very deep insight into, not only into rural development aspects, but also into the plethora of programs and initiatives that the government has taken in this regard. Again, I would, on behalf of Niti Aayog, we would like to thank the UN and resident coordinator, Mr. Yuri, and his entire team. I can see team members here who are constantly working with us, with all our prodding and with all our nuisance value on developing that entire robust monitoring framework which Niti Aayog is working on in terms of all the states and all the way going down to the district level where it actually matters. I will not again be doing my duty if I do not thank Dr. Ashok Jain, my boss and advisor in Niti Aayog, without whose persistent efforts and an eye for detail, this workshop would not have been possible. Thank you, sir. We learn a lot because of your eye for your detail. Once again, and the entire team of RIS, the entire team of Niti Aayog, who are, I think, all sitting at the back right there, with your dedicated efforts all through the last month, this event has been possible, and that is all. Thank you so much for attending the sessions from the morning, and I hope we'll be able to come out with a more positive and a more authentic outcome document out of this, where we'll be able to kind of work on exactly what are the deliverables, what are the ideal deliverables by which the SDG 1 can be met with. Thank you.